Please look at me and give me your attention. Get ready to warm up. Choose an activity to begin. These nouns are either singular or plural. Sort them into the correct boxes.
Welcome to the Global Mindset University. I'm your host, Mufus Rashid, and today I'm teaching you about Lexia, from level 1 to level 21. Here we
Ready to warm up. Choose an activity to begin. These nouns are either singular or plural. Sort them into the correct boxes. See how many you can do before the time's up. Ready? Go! Good.
Level 13, the Indian Rainforest.
So here we are. I'm going to do Latin suffix. There's one more.
Choose the word that belongs in the sentence. Then press this button.
Clear broke the rules and had to sit out for a day.
Your skills are growing. Amazing.
The cows munch grass and the class had a math test run. Average.
It's important to think carefully about the meaning of the whole sentence. Listen to the sentence. Please look at me and give me your dangerous. This sentence does not make sense. Listen again. Please look at me and give me your attention. This sentence does make sense. Read the sentence carefully. Choose this button if the sentence makes sense. Choose this button if the sentence does not make sense. Does this sentence make sense? Does this sentence make sense?
There will be a secret problem.
Nice effort practicing these skills. Your skills are getting stronger. Nice work. Your skills are growing. Amazing.
That's all what we have for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to get more videos. Bye. I'll see you on the next episode.
Welcome to our Mirror's World. On today's episode, we're going to Lexia, but before we do it, I'm going to give you some tips and clues.
So,
let's get started.
That's all we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more videos. Bye! We'll see you on the next episode. That's all we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more videos. Bye! We'll see you on the next episode.